Understanding Sewing Notions, an easy guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, sewing notions. This might seem like a specialized topic, but it's a great example of how English combines words to create specific meanings. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery of sewing notions together. Sewing notions refer to the small accessories and tools used in sewing. These are not the main materials like fabric or sewing machines, but rather the smaller, often overlooked items that are essential for sewing projects. Examples of sewing notions include buttons, zippers, threads, needles, pins, scissors, and measuring tapes. These items might seem minor, but they play a crucial role in the success of any sewing project. The term, notions, in this context dates back several centuries. Originally, it referred to small household items or miscellaneous articles, especially those sold in traditional haberdasheries or sewing shops. Over time, notions specifically came to mean items used in sewing. In everyday English, when someone refers to sewing notions, they are talking about the miscellaneous tools and accessories used in sewing. You might wonder why it's important to learn about sewing notions, especially if you're not interested in sewing. The reason is that it's a great example of how English combines words to create new, specific meanings. Understanding these combinations can greatly enrich your vocabulary and comprehension of English. Plus, it's always fun to learn about different aspects of a culture, and sewing is a part of many cultures around the world. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about understanding the culture and the little nuances that make the language unique. Keep exploring and learning, and you'll find that English has many fascinating aspects just waiting to be discovered. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.